guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been so blessed with so many companies sending me amazing products to try, and one of the companies sent me some products quite a while back. But again, as you guys know, I like to try products for a long period of time so I know if they actually work or not, if I can give you a thorough review. So the company Nature Queen sent me these shampoo and conditioner to try out for my hair. And at first I was like really hesitant because I've tried things like this before and they did not react well with my hair. My hair was not clean feeling. It was kind of like oily and I was just kind of skeptical about it. These have been in my shampoo conditioner rotation for a few months now, so I can tell you if I like them or not. The Nature Queen line is all about herbal, natural products, and that is one thing that I think is important when you are looking at hair care. I do use some other products that aren't natural necessarily, but I like to keep these in my rotation so they kind of give you a little bit of the benefits of natural hair products, even if you're not going all natural, which I think is really hard to do, especially if you have hair like mine. You go all natural and then it's like, where is my white platinum hair? First impression that I got of them after I had washed my hair with them the first time is my hair felt really soft. It was shiny. When I was trying to comb it, it went through really nicely. The only kind of interesting part of it is that the smell is very herbal. So if you don't like herbal smells, you might not like it, but if you can get over the smell, the benefits far outweigh the smell. So the smell is a little bit different. It's more like you go into your natural food store or anywhere that they have those kinds of natural aromas, and that's what it smells like. There is like a hint of honey smell in it, I think, but mostly it's very herbal and natural, which makes you believe that they are indeed natural products. I'm going to read you the kind of claims and how it works from the website because I cannot memorize all of that, but I'm going to read it to you guys right now. So it cleanses your hair. Gentle cleanser cleanses without drying out your scalp or stripping your hair color, which I agree because when I used it, my hair was still this color. It looked like maybe it would dye it because of the consistency and the color that comes out of the bottle. The shampoo I'm going to show you. The shampoo is kind of like a honey amber color, and I was terrified to put this in my hair. I was like, is this gonna like dye my hair a different color? But no, it didn't. It really did help, and I did use it in conjunction with some of my Vanilla No Yellow products, and so that really did help so it wouldn't get too dull, but it says it won't dull your hair. So one cool thing about this cleansing shampoo is that it does feel really nice on your scalp. It kind of makes this tingly feel, and as it is on my fingers, I feel it tingle. It's very odd, but it feels really nice and refreshing, like when you're in the morning and you need to wake up. It wakes you up. Oh, it wakes you up. It's a really nice kind of shampoo that you can just massage into your scalp. You feel like it's doing something for your scalp. It's really hard to explain, but you do because you feel the tingle, and it really does help stimulate that hair growth, which I will talk about in a little bit. The conditioner is also kind of a different color. It's not straight up white, it's more of like a cream color, but it does feel very moisturizing and without feeling kind of silicone-y, which is kind of nice. It feels like a nice natural kind of moisture rather than just like slathering your hair in plastic. And it did make my hair look really shiny and smooth after I dried my hair and everything. So speaking of the hair growth, on the website it says it contains extracts from herbs that are known to stimulate blood flow to hair follicles and balance the sebaceous glands, which reduces hair loss and promotes hair growth. So that's what's in there that really helps it to grow your hair. And it says after a while you'll notice little baby hairs, and I actually have noticed that my hair has been growing pretty fast. So I have quite a bit of growth already, and I feel like I just did my roots, and that's probably part of this stuff. It really does help your hair grow. I think that's really cool if you're looking for a way to grow your hair. It also restores shine and volume, which I really do think it does as well. It really makes it shiny, and my hair is really a lot of fine hair. It doesn't really like to be voluminous, but this really did help it. When after I blow dried my hair and style it and everything, I really did feel like it had quite a bit of volume. So it has argan oil and Gleditisia extract. Lock and shine and moisture without weighing hair down. Give you shiny, bouncy, voluminous hair. It also detoxifies, which is a natural anti-radical, antifungal properties, protect hair and scalp against environmental damages. So over time it really does help the overall health of your hair, which I think is really, really cool. It consists of 9 different herbs, which is what that smell is, that have been traditionally used by Asian women for hundreds of years to combat hair ailments, including dandruff, hair loss, infection, hair thinning, oily scalp, and dry scalp. So it says contains 10 pounds of these beneficial herbs, making it one of the most potent herbal hair care products in the market, which I agree, it is a very potent smell, and so you feel like it probably has a lot of different herbs in it because it does smell very herbal, as I've been saying. So it has all of these different things in here. I'm not going to read them. All of the different herbs have a different thing that they do for your hair, so there's all kinds of things in here. You guys can go to the website, I'll link it down below for you guys to check out all of the cool things that they have on here. There's a lot of stuff in there. So it's really cool because it'll tell you what you'll experience after one use, after 1 week, 2 weeks, and 1 month. You will experience detoxifying effect immediately after 1 use, which I totally agree. After 1 use, I did feel like it was really detoxifying. When I was in the shower, I felt like the tingle, and as I was massaging it in my scalp, I really did feel like it was doing something. You can't ever really tell until you've used it for a long time, but so I have used it for quite a while, and so I know that it really did help my hair grow, and like the roots are coming back fast, which is not the greatest for me, but it is good when you are trying to grow your hair. After 1 week, you should notice balancing effects on your scalp, so making your scalp less oily and dry, and you can wash your hair less often, which is really important because you don't want to be washing your hair every day because you need those natural oils. So this helps with that. After 2 weeks, you can look closely and you see more baby hair. I mean, my roots will tell you it does really help it grow fast. So it strengthens hair follicles, making new growth thicker and stronger. I really agree with that. And I've been using it for a few months. So this says after 1 month, your hair should be stronger and less prone to breakage. You could see less and less hair falling off in each wash. And I totally agree with that. When I was brushing my hair, usually I have a ton of hair that comes out. But when I was brushing my hair, there was only a little bit. And I was like, what the heck? And then I realized it's because I've been using this stuff, and I was like, oh, that's right. So it really did help my hair, the whole health of my hair. I feel like it's very healthy, it's very shiny, and I like to have it in my hair care rotation. So if you guys are interested in these products, all of them will be linked down below. The Nature Queen website will also be linked down below for you guys to go check them out and read all the cool benefits of the shampoo and conditioner. This is just the travel size, so I believe that they have them in a larger size, but since I've been using these a lot, you really don't need a lot at all when you're using it in the shower. They will last you a long time, even if you get the travel size. I don't think you need it too big. This is actually 3.38 fluid ounces. It's really great if you're traveling, if you're going on, I think you can have it in an airplane. I think it's like 4 fluid ounces you can take. So you can bring it with you on a trip or anything like that. I think they're really great, and they have a pump, which is also a plus, which is really important to me when I am looking for easy hair care. So go check them out. I think you won't regret it. They're really, really great products, and they really will help your hair grow if you're looking for a nice hair growth solution. It will take some time, like all products do, but I think it is definitely worth it in the long run. So if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up because that always helps me out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are notified when I upload. If you're interested in my social media, all the links will be linked down below for you guys. If you're interested in where my vlogs went, they are on our new vlog channel, which is Our Young Family, also linked down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to stay lustrous.